Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Rabia Shahid and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first day on YouTube. So I hope you guys are doing fine. So what I'm gonna do on YouTube, I was very, unsure कि मैं क्या करूँ. Many are doing vlogging and some stuff like that. So I wanna do something different. But the niche I have decided for myself is reviews for the movies, seasons, because I'm kind of a cinema girl and I like kind of movies and सीजन सो मैं अपने फ्री टाइम में यही चीजें करती हूँ सो आई डिसाइडेड कि चलो क्यों ना मैं रिव्यू कर दूं स्टार्ट तो मैंने अब रिव्यू स्टार्ट किया है एंड आई होप यू गाइस विल लाइक इट एंड दिस इज आल्सो नॉट समथिंग न्यू पीपल आर ऑलरेडी डूइंग इट सो व्हाई नॉट मी तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं भी कर लेती हूँ so yes I recently watched Call Me Bae which many people are comparing it with Emily in Paris and they are right but not that much right. I think this is the most sasta version of Emily in Paris. Call Me Bae is different. Call Me Bae is more of a desi, yet stylish, yet sassy, and things like that. But if we talk about the acting of Ananya Pandey, I think I wasn't fond of her acting since Student of the Year 2. But I guess she has improved herself a lot. अनन्या के अलावा मेरा नहीं ख्याल कि कोई और ये कर सकता था but because she has done it so nicely so perfectly that लग रहा था कि इनके अलावा कोई नहीं कर सकता but again if you talk about the storyline मेरे ख्याल में it was very basic मतलब it wasn't something जो हमने पहले कभी देखा ही नहीं है मतलब हमने इस तरह की स्टोरी बहुत दफा देखी है बहुत दफा सुनी भी होगी लाइक नॉट सो मच ऑन कंटेंट लेवल कंटेंट भी बहुत ढीला सा था और स्टोरी भी बहुत लो काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग थी बट आई थिंक द जो टाइम पास होता है ना आप टाइम पास के लिए देख सकते हैं इट इज ग्रेट फॉर वन टाइम वॉच इट्स अ फन वॉच आप टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होगा आपका यू विल लव इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ कॉमेडी ड्रामा थिंग और मजेदार था मेरा टाइम पास अच्छा हो गया आप लोगों का भी हो जाएगा बट अगेन देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स टू टॉक अबाउट अनन्या की एक्टिंग की मैं बात कर रही थी स्टार्ट में अनन्या की जो एक्टिंग थी इट वॉज गुड इट वॉज superb. I think she has done justice with her character, Bella Chaudhary. But a nice tha, call me Bay. You can call me Bay. You can call me Bay. Or Bella Chaudhary, aka Bay. So that was cute. और स्टोरी की अगर मैं बात करती हूँ फिर से स्टोरी इज लाइक वही सेम काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग थ्री फ्रेंड्स फाइंडिंग देयर वेज लव लाइफ शेयरिंग ईच अदर sharing things with each other supporting each other in their hard times heartbreaks everything और दिस wasn't समथिंग न्यू कि इस तरह की हमने बहुत दफा पहले भी देखी हैं चीजें there are many shows similar to that. Four more shorts. There are four friends and dealing with different kinds of a thing in their own lives or सबके अलग अलग मसले चल रहे हैं and they are but they are together supporting each other. So Call Me Babe was also the same but इसमें थोड़ा सा journalistic factor डाला गया and पर since I am mass com student I am a media student so I can relate to that और बहुत एवरेज तरीके से उसको ऐड किया गया था but again in regards to content and the storyline the it was very weak it was very weak they just tried to create the problems for the women like Bay for Ananya Pandey and then again solving it to just add the feministic touch or एक औरत को हीरोइन बनाकर एंड पे दिखाया गया so women card हम तो खेलते ही रहते हैं खैर and also was it overly hyped yes I think it was overly hyped and it wasn't something to be hyped about. जैसे कि हम बात करते हैं कि Emily in Paris, maybe it was all about fashion and things like that, but it has some kind of a story to, people can, indulge themselves in the season, in the show. But Call Me Bae is a one-time watch, and I think Emily in Paris, I can watch it like thrice in a year maybe to refresh my mind but Call Me Bay is also kind of a breezy it will like clear your thoughts and if you are a busy person in your life you can watch it but again I think Karan Johar was trying to restruct Pooh या दैट्स माय थॉट क्योंकि आई थिंक करीना कपूर का तो एक ऑरा है एक वाइब है बट अनन्या पांडे नो शी कैन बी पू शी कैन बी पू पू वाज द वन करीना कपूर नो बॉडी कैन रिप्लेस करीना कपूर एंड शी हैज सेड herself that so yeah I think the character of Ananya Pandey has everything sass class sexiness, everything. She was looking hot. She was looking pretty. She was looking very, poor rich girl. Poor yet rich girl. Not that bad. Overly hyped, yes, but not that bad. And also अगर हम देखें तो Ananya was the main character. There was no villain. There was kind of a no hero. All it was all about Ananya Pandey, and she has definitely done justice with her acting, with her character. Or there wasn't many more characters in the show to talk about, but her friends, I think they were cute, they were nice. Acting wise भी वो लोग बहुत अच्छी थी. And I think one of the most cutest thing I like about Call Me Babe was hashtag Behan Code, like hashtag Behan Code. It was very cute to me when they, it was showing the support of friends. Sometimes you need people in your life to support you when there is no family, when there is no people around you. You need friends. I think friends are the necessity of life. They are everything. You sometimes you cannot even share the your secrets with your family, with your sister, with your own blood, but you can share a lot of shit with your friends. So yeah, that's what I also do. I share everything with my friends. So friends are life. Friends are the most beautiful creature in the world. They support you like crazy. Nobody can support you the way your best friends support you. So yeah, it's a blessing to have a friend who genuinely loves you, who supports you behind your back, not on your face only. So yeah, I think yeah, I love being around people who has some good energy, who has some good vibe, who loves you, who supports you like crazy. So yeah, I am blessed to have such people in your life. I think you guys must have some friends who supports you like that. And in the end, to sum it up, I would say 3 to 4 things why you should watch it. First, if you were disappointed with Ananya's acting in Student of the Year 2, then you should definitely watch this Call Me Bae because she has done excellent job in acting. But I guess her previous movie, Kho Gaye Hum Kahan, that was also good. I liked her acting, and I think she is taking all the criticism in a positive way, and she's working on that. And that's how one should be. You should take negative criticism as a positive one because that's how you can improve yourself. And secondly, storyline is not that good, but it's a one-time watch. It's a comedy drama. It's a fun show kind of a thing. You should watch it. Third, if you're a fashion kind of a girl, then it's for you. You will see the class, you will see the dressing sense of Ananya Pandey. It was not her sense, obviously, that they hired designer for that, but you will love it. You will get some ideas how to style yourself, the jewelry, the hair, the makeup, the dresses, and everything. So you guys will definitely love it, and it's 8 out of 10. You guys can go and watch it. Not that bad. Overly hyped, I would say yes, but it was good. It was nice. मैं बोर नहीं हुई. आप लोग भी नहीं होगे. So yeah, that was all from my side, and it was my first review. So please subscribe और पता नहीं क्या like share whatever जो भी होता है वो कर दीजिएगा आप लोग और I will learn आहिस्ता आहिस्ता. You guys can comment and help me to improve myself. What I could add, what I should do more in the videos, in the vlogs, whatever. So please help me and bye bye.